Welcome to our programming channel. Today in VB.NET we will see how to connect with SQL Server database and with the help of data reader and data table load data in data grid view. New project. Visual Basic Windows Forms application. Data grid with data reader in VB.NET. In VB.NET. Okay. Text property of from data grid with data reader in VB.NET. First we increase the width of the form to display the content in the grid properly. Then from data section select data grid view. Width of the data grid view also, and increase the width and some height to display the records in the grid view properly. We have database data grid bin and we have table fast food. Design of this table: ffood id int, ffood name varchar 50, ffood company varchar 50, ffood price decimal 10 2, and for ffood id primary key and is identity yes, and records in the table, and these are the records in the table. First we make connection to SQL Server database. So for that, Server Explorer, data connections, add connection. Here Microsoft SQL Server. For connection name, connect. This is the server name. Copy this and paste here. And select database data grid bin. Test connection succeeded. Okay. Now connection has done with SQL Server. Fconfig. In fconfig, connection strings, then add name, conDB, then connection strings, provider name, system.data.sql client. For connection string, select this active connection and properties. In properties, connection string, we get the connection string. Double click on this connection string. Now the whole connection string is selected. Copy with Ctrl C and paste with Ctrl V here. Save this. We need form load event. So in properties of form, select events and double click on load. We get form load event. Now imports system.data, imports system.data.sql client, imports system.configuration. We take one method, bind grid, in form load, private sub bind grid. We want to use data reader, so dim dr as SQL data reader. Dim constring as string is equal to configuration manager. We want to take configuration manager here, but we can't able to take configuration manager. So select references, right click, add reference, select system.configuration. OK. Now we can able to select configuration manager. Dot connection strings, round bracket, name of connection ConDB. So copy this and paste here. Dot connection string. Using must end with matching end using. So end using. Using con as new SQL connection and in bracket constring. First connection must be open, so con dot open. Dim str as string, and here we give the query selects star from fast food. dim cmd as new SQL command strcon in bracket strcon. Now we take the data reader dr is equal to cmd execute reader. When there is data reader, there must be execute reader. So cmd dot execute reader. Now we take data table dim dt as new data table. dt dot load dr data grid view. Name of our data grid view 1. So data grid view 1 dot data source is equal to dt and connection must be closed, so con dot close. Save all this. If we run the project, we can see data from SQL Server database has loaded in data grid view. The width seems more, so we decrease some width of data grid view and width of form. And if we again run the project, now it feels better. We get all the records from table in data grid view. Here we get error for configuration manager. In some origin of Visual Studio, we cannot see references here. In that case, right click, add reference, select system.configuration. OK. Now we can able to select configuration manager dot connection strings condb dot connection string. Now there is no any error for configuration manager. Previously we have seen data grid view with data reader and data table in C#, and today we have seen load the data from SQL Server database in data grid view with data reader and data table in VB.NET. That's all for data grid view with data reader in VB.NET. Thanks for watching.